Hey everyone, welcome to Triple Dose RX. Today we're diving into a hot topic, ADHD and time management, crafting your perfect strategy. If you're like me, managing time with ADHD can feel like trying to catch smoke with your bare hands. Tricky, right? So why is time management such a challenge for those of us with ADHD? First off, our brains have a unique wiring. We often experience what's called time blindness, making it tough to estimate how long tasks will take. But don't worry, I've got some strategies that have worked wonders for me and might just do the trick for you too. Let's break them down. First up, the Pomodoro Technique. It's simple. You work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This method helps by breaking your work into manageable chunks and keeping your brain fresh. Next, embrace technology. Apps like Trello or Asana can be lifesavers. They help you visualize tasks and deadlines, making them less daunting. And don't forget alarms and reminders. They can be your best friends. Here's a personal tip. I use color coding. It might seem small, but assigning colors to different tasks can quickly show you what's urgent and what can wait. Plus, it makes your to-do list look pretty cool. Another game changer? Routine. Yes. Creating a daily routine might sound boring, but it provides a structure that can significantly reduce decision fatigue. When you have ADHD, every little bit of saved mental energy is a big win. Lastly, let's talk about accountability. Sharing your goals with someone else can boost your motivation. Whether it's a friend, family member, or an online group, having someone to report to can make a huge difference. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you. Experiment with these strategies, mix and match, and don't get discouraged if it takes a few tries to get it right. Managing time with ADHD isn't about perfection, it's about improvement. Thanks for watching. If these tips helped you, or if you've got strategies of your own, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Here's to taking control of your time and making every moment count.